So ano nga ba ang posibleng mangyari kung babalik ka sa college as a dropout? So ito yung mga personal experiences ko as someone who dropped out to work and now I'm back to college. Number 1, odd one out. Ngayon, bumalik na ako sa college, syempre, di ko nakasabay yung mga kabatch ko. Syempre, yung ganitong sitwasyon, it's not the norm. Mag-stick out ka talaga. Pero, marami pa rin tayong wala sa usual path, di ka nag-iisa. So, karamihan ng mga nami-meet ko is yung mga on time, pero madami din ako nami-meet na quote-unquote delayed. I'm unusual, you're unusual, pero we're not alone. And in relation to number 1, number 2 would be socialization. So, I went into subjects na wala talaga akong kakilala. Pero throughout those times, I met a lot of good people. And my social life didn't really suffer kasi pwede ka pa rin naman magkaroon ng social life outside of school. Ang principle ko lang naman palagi is to just be yourself and to be open to new situations and to be genuine. And eventually, the right circles will come at the right seasons. It's been fun being back in university. I'm really just trying to be open to learn, to meet people, and to just absorb as much as I can para sulit yung tuition, opportunity cost, and pera na ginugugol natin para mag-allocate ng time to study in university. Number 3 and 4 on the next video.